Hi, I'm Nick Swayze with Keystone RV, and today I'd like to show you why our CrossFire is the best value in the industry. As you can see here in the kitchen, I like to call it a real kitchen. It doesn't have a lot of the small appliances that you find in a lot of the other competition. We have a full double basin sink with a residential high-rise faucet. You'll also find a 2-burner range with glass cover for extra countertop space, a full 6 cubic foot refrigerator. We also make standard on all of our CrossFires a 13.5 roof BTU air conditioner. Most of the products in this price point are going to have a sidewall mounted air conditioner that's only 9,000 BTUs. You also find in the bathroom, we have a nice size shower with a full shower surround. Most other products in this price point just use wallboard. On the outside, you'll find a solar ready plug for a portable solar panel, a hitch light, 2 20-pound LP tanks with a hard cover. Most of the competition is only including one tank that may or may not have a cover. If it has a cover, it's usually a soft vinyl that will fade and deteriorate. On the A-frame, you'll see there's room for 2 batteries. As we walk around to the side, you'll see we have a stabilizer jack in all 4 corners. So we have 4 total stabilizer jacks standard with every CrossFire. A lot of times the competition will only include 2 or none at all. We have a lot of exterior storage on every CrossFire, as well as magnetic catches. Most of the competition is going to have a plastic clip that breaks easily. Walking further down the trailer, you'll see we have an outside shower, standard on every CrossFire, with hot and cold water. We also offer outside speakers that comes along with an AM, FM, Bluetooth radio with USB and HDMI inputs. Most of the competition is going to have a simple car stereo. On the rear, you also see that we include a spare tire standard with every CrossFire, where most trailers in this price point don't offer that. And one last feature, we also offer a detachable power cord to make it easier to store that cord versus having to jam it back into a compartment if it's cold outside. These are all great features that set CrossFire apart. Take a look at your local dealer. Thank you.